This is SlothMotion. Today I'm going to show you the spring flowers Abuela and I made together for our home sign in the studio. And we are also going to show you how to repurpose last year's Easter decorations mixed with just 2 new Color Me wood art. Good way to save money. But before we start, I want to say a big thank you to Talisa and Caitlin for creating a new permanent addition to our studio. Presenting Steve. Thank you so much for taking the time to create this piece of art for us. I love it. So let's get to it! This is our Easter decoration. And the repurposed ones are the top one, the middle one, and the bottom. And the new additions are my cute little fluffy bunny and the cute Easter egg bunny. Over here, we have our home sign, which has this cute spring flower and the humongous big spring flower that has white, yellow, and green, and our rainbow flower, and a flower made from a book, and a yellow flower that is really pretty, and Steve! If you notice, the letter O in our home sign is a paper flower that we change every season. And if you want to know how we made the letters in the word home, you can always check out our Craft Studio playlist. We hope you guys like these quick and easy projects. And for more flower and holiday fun, check out our other videos of how we change our holiday corner throughout the year. Now there are 4 more things you must do before you leave. Give us a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to have fun and inspire with us. Leave any questions or comments down below. And don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Ding! And don't forget to follow us on IFT, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Adios, see you next time. Bye!
Espérate, empiezo otra vez.
Pancha plancha con 4 planchas. Con cuantas planchas, pancha plancha.
Dale.
4 planchas, planchas y plancha con plancha. Big thank you to Talisa.
And action.
Talisa.
Let me do it, check. Alright, let's do it one more time.
A good way to save money.
Action.
Se acaba en 1 hora.
No, es mejor que se acabe ahora.
No.
Ya. Mira.
We hope
No,
you guys
too far. A little further. Right, exactly. And action.
check out.
What? Action.
I was gonna say check out, and I forgot my line, and then I looked at it, and then I
Start
knew
over.
and then I knew I messed up.
Start over. Nice. No, come on. You
I
stay
said
calm.
play it.
Come on, and action. The letter
You
O.
confused me.
If you notice the letter O in our home sign.
Okay.
Ready?